welcome to my channel. I am at Walgreens. I have a lot of energy and it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning and I don't drink coffee, so I'm excited to go shopping today. So we're at Walgreens today. There's some really good deals. There is a freebie that I'm excited for, some Dove deals. I'm gonna try to do a pull-ups deal, which I'm excited to see. My daughter's taken interest in pull-ups because it's got Minnie Mouse on it, so I'm like, that's fine. So we're gonna go inside, do some deals, share with you guys, and then I come back and share with you guys my haul. I do a lot more deals in the store, what I am going to get and what I'm not going to get, because everybody's in a different financial situation and everybody needs different things. So I try to show as many deals as I can that are worth it. So let's go inside, have some fun, save some money, and have fun shopping. We're gonna do the Dove Men Extra Fresh. These are $6.99. We currently have a $2 off insert coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You would end up paying just $4.99 for the two of them. But with my Shopkick app, it actually shows that I get 700 kicks when I purchase the product, but when you go to submit your receipt, it's actually showing that I'll get 1,400 kicks, which is $5.60. These bars of soap end up becoming a 61-cent moneymaker. Or you can also do the Dove Men Care. We need to do the Clean Comfort for $6.99. Again, you'll use that $2 off coupon. You can do both of these because it is a limit of 2. You'll pay $4.99. But with the Shopkick app, you actually Welcome to Walgreens. You actually get 1,225 kicks, which is $4.90 back with Shopkicks. This ends up becoming just 9 cents. 9 cents. We have the Nivea women's body wash for $5 or the men's. It's a better deal with the women's. So these are on sale for $5 and they are buy 3 you get $5 cash rewards. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy 3 of them, pay $15. There's no coupons that I know of. You'll pay $15, but then you'll get that $5 back, making it $10, and we also get $2 rebates with the Ibotta app, so you get $6 back with Ibotta, making all 3 of them just $4 or $1.33. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7 along with the whole blends. We do have some digital coupons for $3 off of 2, but I like using my paper coupons, so we also have some $3 off of 2. You can use 1 paper and 1 digital, however you guys want to do it, depending on what your favorite shampoo and conditioner is. But you're going to end up buying 2 of each or 4, however you want to do it. You'll use those 2 coupons. You'll pay $8, but then when you buy 3 or more of the register rewards, you'll get 3 or more of the products, you get a $5 register reward, making them $3 or just 75 cents each. We have the Pull-Ups nighttime diapers. These are on sale for 2 for $21. We have some coupons. We have $3 off coupons times 2. So you're going to use both of those. You're going to pay $15 for 2 of them. But then you get 1,500 points when you purchase the nighttime diapers. It's only a limited one for Fetch Rewards. But then there's 2 rebates that are going for Ibotta. We get a $2 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 3. So you can get $4 back with this one. And then you'll get $4 when you buy 2, so you'll get $8 back with Ibotta. Welcome to Walgreens, sorry you guys. But your final price comes out to be just $5.50 or $2.25 for each of them, and I think that's a pretty great deal. The Colgate Toothpaste is on sale this week for $3.99. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Otherwise, we do have $1 off insert coupons. So with the 3 off of 2, you'll end up just paying $4.98, but then you get a $5 cash rewards when you purchase the 2, making both of these for free. Now if you use the paper coupons, they come out to be just 99 cents or 49 cents each. The Oral-B toothbrushes and the Crest toothpaste is on sale this week for $4. I don't have any mouthwash for $4, but we currently have a 7 off of 3 digital coupon. You're going to end up buying 3 products, use that 7 off of 3 digital coupon, you will pay $5, but then when you buy 3 items or more, you'll get a $5 register reward. Now please keep in mind this has to be a separate transaction than the Garnier Fructis, so make sure you guys are separating your transactions for these buy 3, get a $5 register reward, but you'll get 3 items just absolutely for free. Here we have the Asper cream for $8.49, and it is buy one get one 50% off. We currently have a buy one get one free coupon. Just to give you guys a heads up, it does not work for the Flex Motion, but we are going to use it for this one. Usually how Walgreens does it, it usually takes off the full price, so it should be $4.24, but I will let you know in my breakdowns video. But you're going to use that, pay $4.24. But then we actually have some Ibotta rebates. It is a limited too, so you get $3 back times 2, so you get $6 back with Ibotta. There is a bonus, but it's not telling me what the bonus is. But you'll end up making this be a $1.76 moneymaker. Here we have the Icy Hot for $9.49. It is buy one get one 50% off, and then there is a ton of tags here, but we actually have a $3 coupon with the Walgreens booklet, and we also have the buy one get one free coupon. Now most likely when you use their buy one get one free coupons, it takes off the $9.49. We will see. I will let you guys know in my breakdown, but if it does, you use that coupon, you use the booklet, you're already getting everything for free. It's already becoming a $1.25 moneymaker. But then there's an Ibotta deal where you get $1 back times 2, so you get $2 back. This could be a $3.25 moneymaker. The Suavitel is an all-month sale, but these are $2.99 in the store, but if you guys go to the website, they're actually showing that they are $2.49, so make sure your store is price matching this. But otherwise, you would pay $4.98. You get that $3 back. You end up paying just $1.98 or 99 cents each for Suavitel, which is a great deal. We also have the deal for Palmolive, and then Ajax, I think, is on sale too, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. We have the Downy. It shows that it's $5.99, but in the ad it did show that it was $3.29 along with the app. But you're gonna buy whatever deal you guys want to do. But we have the Downy. It does say Bounce, but my store is out of the Bounce. And then we have the Tide Simply. You're gonna buy 3 of them. You'll pay $9.87, but then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them. Makes it $6.87 or just $2.29 each. The Crunch candy bar is Baby Ruth and 100 grand, and then it looks like Baby Ruth's Chunky Originals. Oh, these are in the wrong spot. But anyways, these are 2 for $1. You could check your swag box to see if you might have a rebate deal. I do not, but pretty good deal for 2 for $1 if you guys need some filler items for your register rewards that don't have coupons. Hi everybody, welcome back. So there was a little hiccup with 2 of the items that I got, and I said I would let you guys know when I got to those items, so I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So everything went by smoothly. One of the Dove coupons did not work. She had to enter it in, and the reason is because most likely they didn't put it to the system for that product. So most likely your store will have to enter it in. But, oh, I forgot to grab the one thing. So, let me share with you guys what I got. So, I ended up doing the diaper deal. This ended up becoming a great deal. I ended up getting the pull-ups. The pull-ups were 2 for $21. So, $21 for 2 of them. But we have $3 off coupons now. I did have 5 off of 2 digitals, but we are going to use the $3 off coupons, so I ended up using those. You'd pay $15 for the 2 of these. But you can get a $4 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta. Plus there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta times 2. So you get $8 back with Ibotta. And then you get 1,500 points for this through Fetch Rewards. So these come out to be just $5.50 or $2.25 each, which I think is a great deal if you guys need some diapers. Or pull-ups, whatever. To me, pull-ups work just as fine as diapers. The only thing is you can't like wrap them up like you can with the diapers. That's the only bad thing, but that is okay. So I got the diapers. We got the diapers. Okay. The next deal I did was the men's bar soap. These were $6.99. You want to use that $2 off coupon. You would pay $4.99. But with the bars, you get 1,400 points through Shopkicks. I also got 50 points or 50 kicks for opening the app while I was in Walgreens today. Walgreens is very rare. Make sure you guys are opening your Shop Kicks apps while you're in Walgreens and CVS because you get points. I get CVS all the time just to see if there's any deals while I'm in the store, but I got 50 kicks today just for walking in Walgreens. But anyways, you'd get 1,400 kicks, which is $5.60. This comes out to be a 61-cent moneymaker. A 61-cent moneymaker. Okay, then I also got the men's body wash. Now you have to get the green one of the bar soap and you have to get the blue one of the body wash, but this was $6.99. You use that $2 off coupon, making it $4.99. Then you get 1,225 kicks, which is $4.99 back with Ibotta. This just comes out to be not Ibotta, Shop Kicks, you guys, Shop Kicks. 9 cents, 9 cents for Dove men's body wash. Great deal. I ended up getting some of the Crunch bars. I had some register rewards that I just wanted to get rid of and use up. So I got these. These were 2 for $1 and I just use these as filler items. So I got those. I ended up getting 2 of the Garnier Fructises and 2 of the Whole Blends. These were 2 for $7. I used a 3 off of 2 print insert coupon times 2, so 1 and 1. You would pay $8 for the 4 of these, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 3 of them, and this is a store coupon, so you do not need any filler items for the store coupon. But it all comes out to be just $3 or 75 cents each, which I think is a great deal. I ended up getting some hairspray because I need some hairspray, so why not? Why not go ahead and do that? So I'm just putting my bags in the bags. I was watching a video on TikTok the other day, and people make fun of people from the Midwest and how they say bags. Like some people say bags, and I say bags. I don't know. Make fun of me all you want, but it is funny. Okay, so the Asper cream. It was a fail, you guys. It was a fail. Now, there is a $2 off Catalina coupon that does print off. It does print off like right the minute they scan it, so you can use that. I would suggest using, I can't remember what it was, but I get the employee discount. I'm gonna give you guys this. I'm gonna give you this. So these were $8.49 and buy one get one 50% off. Okay, that coupon would take off the $4.25. It would actually take $4.25 off. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But then you can submit $3 and $3 back with Ibotta. So this comes out to be like $1 something. It's kind of messed up right here, but my coupon, it only took off, I think, $3.61. I had one that took off $1.03 and I had one that took off $3.61, and I think it took off $3.61, which is $4.25 for you guys. So it does take off the lower value. Walgreens has changed their system and it no longer does the high value, it does the lower value. So be prepared. But $3.61 for the buy one get one free coupon is not that bad for this, but for the Icy Hot, it was kind of a fail for me, but that is okay because I plan on using this. I've been having really bad problems with my wrist, and I'm hoping that maybe it might help. But anyways, these were $9.49 at buy one get one 50% off. I used that buy one get one free coupon, or buy one get one free coupon, okay? But then there's those $3 off Walgreens booklet coupons that will adjust. So I actually got $1.06 off of one of these. $1.06 for the coupon. That's all it took off, not, yeah. But anyways, I didn't do the math on this, but make sure if you guys do check this out, it ends up becoming a great deal anyways. But then you get submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta. So yeah, so let me figure out the math for you guys right now, because like it's confusing and I did not do the math. So basically you guys, it would take off $4.74, but then it takes off the $3. So basically that coupon of yours would take off $1.74 for these. $1.74. So it's kind of a fail for this, but it's up to you guys what you want to do on that. I still think, you know, it's a pretty decent deal anyways, but $4.74, take away the $3 because you're using the 3. I think it comes out to be like maybe let's just see. So $1.74, and then we're gonna do $9.49, and then we're gonna take that $3 off. So you'll pay $8.23 for these, I think. I don't know to tell you the truth. It's kind of confusing. I should have done that deal by itself, but just wanted to share with you guys on that because it is a very confusing deal. I ended up getting 3 of the Nivea women's body wash. These were $5. You buy 3 of them, you'd pay 15 bucks for these, but then you get $6 back with Ibotta, so 2, 2, and 2 with Ibotta, and then you get a $5 cash rewards when you purchase the 3. Comes out to be $4 or just $1.33 each, which is an okay deal. So definitely get that. Now, I ended up, got more crunch bars right here. I ended up getting the Oral-B Crest deal. Now, these were $4. We have that 7 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $5 for this, but then you get that $5 register reward. Now, this is the same deal as the Garnier Fructis, so you do have to use it in a separate transaction. But these come out to be absolutely for free. So all 3 items absolutely for free. And then I ended up getting the Colgate Toothpaste. Now, these were $3.99. We did receive a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.98, but then you get a $5 cash rewards. Comes out to be for free, so you get both of those for free. So that was my haul. Okay, so before or after coupons and everything, now I don't include my register rewards. I don't include those at all when I show you guys my total, but my total came to $47.30 for everything. $47.30. I did receive $10 with register rewards. I received $23.74 for Walgreens cash. I got $5 cash for the Colgate. I got $5 cash for the Nivea. I also had to spend 20, get 5. And then I also had a spend 30, get $8 back. So I don't know if they got combined or what. I don't know how else, but I got like one receipt. I got $23.47 back. So that was crazy. So I got $23.74 back because the other one I got like 20 something cents. With Ibotta, I received $22. That is for the $6 of the Nivea, $2 for the Icy Hot, $6 for the Aspirin Cream, and $8 for the pull-ups. With Fetch Rewards, I received $1.86, so 1,864 points, so $1.86. And then I received, with Shop Kicks, I received 2,675 points or kicks, which is $10.70. My grand total, you guys, if I did my math right, was a $21 moneymaker. I made a complete profit and $21. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, the thing that's confusing me is the Icy Hot and the Aspirin Cream, but everything else like was a great deal. I mean, everything for my hand came out to be for free, plus those boosters really helped. So it's a great week, especially trying to get those deals, but I think I've been having problems with my wrists and my hands. I craft a lot, and I just have a point where it hurts, so I'm thinking maybe one of those items might help me. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love to help save people money. I love helping people. You guys always can message me, question, comments, concerns. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.